Once upon a time, in a swamp there was a girl on the rock and a bird on the branch, a salmon in the sea. The poor salmon had found itself stuck in between the tight swamp tree roots. Unlucky fella. The even more unlucky seagull swooped, kicked the fish, and the seagull grabbed himself some breakfast from that poor fish's head. The fish was still lucky to swim away free. Unfortunately, that seagull had gotten himself stuck. I forgot to mention that the bird above him was a raptor.
I see that you have gotten into a bit of pickle.
He said,
Well, no worries, I've already had my fill of seagull today.
the raptor continued. The other unfortunate seagulls whom the raptor ate was, unbeknownst to him, were the stuck seagull's first ever hatchlings, and bit off his tail end breakfast.